251.
Well, take a look at this. Unfortunately, the scene was a bit of a rain out, or a rain delay, I should say, out at the 90th annual Beaumont Labor Day tennis tournament for the day today. It was similar yesterday. I think things got underway later on today as things began to dry out. But hey, better to have a rain delay today than last year when they had a hurricane delay because of threatening Hurricane Gustav. As we know, Gustav went to Louisiana, but still, 1 year ago, many of us were not in Southeast Texas due to the evacuation. Take a look at pinpoint Doppler radar tonight. Got something a little different happening across Southeast Texas and Southwest Louisiana. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line because a few showers and thunderstorms have developed in Southwest Louisiana, and this is the edge of those showers and thunderstorms. Now, I'm going to put on the screen what we call velocity radar. And what you're looking for is the difference between red and light green, which would indicate some high winds on the ground. And according to this velocity radar, right through here, there is what we call a gust front. Now, this is winds that come out of decaying showers and thunderstorms, which are currently located over Southwest Louisiana. When I take the velocity radar off, you can see the left line is where winds on the ground are about 20 to 25 miles an hour, and this line continues to press off to the southwest at about 25 miles an hour. So two things are going to happen here in the next hour or so in the Golden Triangle. We may get some thunder and lightning with some shower and thunderstorm activity. More importantly, it looks like we're going to have a bit of a gust of wind. It's most likely already gone through Orange. It's heading towards Mauriceville, Port Arthur, Bridge City, and Beaumont probably within the next hour or so. So kind of interesting. You don't see that every night on our radar. Here is the moving radar for pinpoint Doppler radar, and you can see where the showers and storms started out towards DeRidder, back towards the east, and now they are pressing down to the south and southwest. They're beginning to lose a lot of their identity and their integrity, so I don't think we're going to see these storms hold together too much as they press into the Golden Triangle, but we certainly are going to have to deal with that wind front coming up here in the next hour to 90 minutes, so be prepared. It's headed our way. 78 degrees officially at Southeast Texas Regional, 80 degrees in Jasper. You can see this is the only shower and thunderstorm activity in the entire region, so it has been a strong thunderstorm, not severe. We didn't have any warnings or watches, but we have been watching the lightning off to the east, as you may have been doing as well through the evening hours. Here's your futurecast in motion. Boy, there is not much going on this map. It's going to stay this way for the next 2 days. We have a little upper air support to bring us the opportunity of a couple of showers or thunderstorms on your Labor Day. Only a 30% chance, so don't cancel any plans, but you may take the umbrella as you're heading off to the mall or maybe heading to a picnic. 92 degrees on your Monday, so it will be warm. Make sure you wear the shorts. Going further into the future, heading back to work and back to school, I know you don't want to think about it, but on Tuesday, looks like a repeat performance, about a 20% chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm and a high temperature, once again, right around 92 degrees. This map is very quiet, but I can assure you, 1 week from now, it's going to be very different. We're looking at a very powerful storm system coming in Friday and Saturday into the central portion of the country. Looks like the first big fall storm system we're going to have to deal with. So it could be a very different story 1 week from now. Periods of thunderstorm, a period of thunderstorms is possible in the Golden Triangle because of what we showed you on radar. Remember, pressing off to the south and southwest. Low temps overnight, though, we're going to be in the 70s for the day tomorrow. A 30% chance of an isolated shower or thunder shower, variable wind of 10. High temps going to be in the 90s for your holiday. Heading up into the lakes overnight, low temps will be in the upper 60s to low 70s, a little warmer than you should be this time of the year. Just a 20% chance that you could see an isolated thunder shower from that line in Louisiana. And for the day tomorrow, high temps are going to be well into the 90s with a 30% chance of a storm. You can always get a complete check of the tropics by going to kbmt12.com. There is nothing in the Gulf of Mexico. There is some activity in the Atlantic, so if you have travel plans to the East Coast, you may want to check that out. Here is your 5-day forecast as we head back to work. A 20 to 30% chance each and every day. Temps, though, topping out in the 90s, but you might get a gust of wind coming up in the next hour.
Okay, well, if you're out on the roadway, try and get home real soon and take cover. Thanks, Brian.
Okay.
Let's take a look at the lot.